Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the mucormycosis that is called as black fungus, which is very badly affected in India compared to the other regions. I am saying it's very badly because in comparison to the other regions, it's badly affected to the Indian population. So because of the second wave of the COVID, most of the people has underwent the high dose of steroid therapy, which was mandatory in those conditions. So after that, those people's immune has depressed. So because of this condition only, the many peoples who are patients of the long-term diabetic and peoples who are suffering from the HIV or AIDS and diabetic ketoacidosis, and the people who has underwent the renal organ transplantation, who are on the immunodepressant medicines, and the people who are suffering from the renal disorders where they are receiving the iron therapy, or else the people who are receiving the high dose of the steroid whose immune has depressed. So only those kind of peoples are getting affected by this mucormycosis that is called as black fungus, and some peoples are getting affected with the white fungus also. So there no need to be worried for the common people who has good immunity and who has received very low dosage of the immunodepressant medicines or steroids, and people who is suffer from the COVID and has come out without receiving the corticosteroids, so there no need to be worried. This fungus, that is mucormycosis, is a mold kind of fungus and is non-septated. It comes by the contaminated contact with the contaminated soil or contaminated inhalation of a contaminated air, and usually it will take shelter in the sinuses. Nowadays we are seeing the patients who are coming with the sinus growth of the fungus, that is mucormycosis. It may affect the lungs, brain and other parts also. So if it comes, the signs and symptoms of this disease is nasal discharge, that is particularly blackish nasal discharge, and bloody discharge in the nose, and the sudden onset of the pain in the eye and in and around the eye, and blackish discoloration of the skin. So these are the signs and symptoms when it affects the sinus area. So how to prevent it? So when you come to know that you are on the immunodepressant medicines, or you are suffering from the any other immunocompromised diseases like AIDS and other diseases, diabetes and all, so you have to protect yourself from wearing the mask and all, because the size of this fungus is much larger than that of the coronavirus. The N95 masks are designed for the filtration of the virus also. So usually the fungus will not enter with the N95 mask, and it may enter through the cuts and all. So, and once the symptoms started appearing like blackish discoloration around the eye or pain, so you have to approach the doctor as soon as possible, because there is a medicine for it. So amphotericin B is the commonly used medicines in India now, and they can go for the local infiltration or systemic administration of this medicine. Local infiltration or systemic administration of this medicine can prevent the spread of this infection, and it may require local debridement also, depending on the severity of the condition. It is diagnosed by using the MRI or histopathological examination. So it can be prevented and no need to worry. This is not a worry for the common population as that of the COVID. So unnecessary fear is not needed. So this is all about a brief introduction of the mucormycosis. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.